edging and the nervous system. So I've studied the polyvagal theory, and if you're interested, I have many videos about that, and I have as well a chapter in my book that is just created for the polyvagal theory and the nervous system. So there are different things to say. One of this is the sympathetic. So what is when you are in danger, when there is a survival mechanism, is your fight-flight response. It's just like you just need to contract and squeeze and hold and run and fight and protect. Yeah. So the same sympathetic nervous system is happening when you're not on a survival mechanism. It calls mobilization. But what most people do when they're on their sympathetic in mobilization, when they're safe, they're contracting and squeezing their nervous system to control. And this is literally the opposite of what edging is about. Edging is about relaxation and expansion. What is your parasympathetic nervous system is the so-called immobilization, is this state of, you can access in the safe state of your nervous system both parts. So you can be mobile and relaxed at the same time. So you can be in action and just, there's nothing to do, nowhere to go, there's nothing to run away from or to hide against or fight against. So you can access your sympathetic and parasympathetic at the same time, so you can be spontaneous and follow your impulses, and that's really important. While the parasympathetic, when you're on fight-flight, is literally shut down. You get numb. So if you can't feel anything and if you shut down and numb, it's a good indicator that you have a trauma in your body that is literally stored somewhere, that is, a contraction based on a past experience. So you need to do some work if this is the case. So de-armoring is a really great practice for that, to regulate your nervous system back into that state of expansion. So anyway, what is really important in the nervous system is the social engagement system. And the social engagement system is the way how we relate with the world and people in there. So making eye contact, talking with each other, and having your heart on your face and expressing yourself. So this is the social engagement system, is detecting your environment, specifically when you're in proximity with another human being, if you are safe with this person. And if you're not safe with this person, there's no way you can edge or be orgasmic together with each other. This is just, the nervous system will detect that as danger and shuts down, gets you straight into the survival thing. And that might be a conditioning, that might be a trauma, that might be real. But if your social engagement system, it's called the ventral vagus nerve, your parasympathetic, everything above your lower diaphragm, your lungs, your heartbeat, your facial expression, the way how you hear, see, everything in your face, how we relate with the world. If you are safe with another person, your nervous system will go into that state. Oh my God, I can just relax with you. And that relaxation, this expansion, this is needed when you edge, to have this spiritual experience, because through the parasympathetic nervous system, so the immobilization, when you are safe, this is your gateway, this is your door into the spiritual experience. You will die through your parasympathetic, the dorsal parasympathetic, one day. Your last heartbeat, your last breath, just like every muscle relaxes, you defecate and then you're gone. This is parasympathetic relaxation. You can enter that through edging, through lovemaking, when you're safe. I call that the bliss state, and that's absolutely phenomenal. And it's good to know all these little details, because there are obstacles on the way, and when they occur, you know where you are. It's like a roadmap, and it's definitely worth investigating and having a look. But if that's all too much for you to investigate and having a look, please feel free to reach out, ask questions. It's not like that I'm an expert, but I have kind of lifted every stone up that I could find and turn around to find these answers just for myself. So take advantage of that. You don't need to do all the research. It's all done and it's all in the book. But anyway, I'm a living book still. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. See you in the next one. Love yourself. Ciao for now. Edging is a very individual process and depends on so many different facts, depending on where you are as an individual. So I've been coaching individuals, couples, and professionals in this domain for over 2 decades. And if you would like to have any support, feel totally free to use the link in the video description and book a free discovery call to find out how I can support you best. Looking forward to talking with you. See you there.